How social factors affect in health and disease conditions.
How social factor effect in health, mental health of the people. What is health and what is mental health? Health and mental health. Another example, health and mental health.
Health is state of well-being of physical and physical, mental, and social well-being.
Ah,
And mental health means state of well-being of mental state.
state of
Well-being
well-being.
of mental state.
Hmm. Okay. अनि आज अब मैले यो स्लाइड तिमीलाई बढाइ बिहेभियर अफ द सिक पिपल कस्तो हुन्छ त सिक बिहेभियरको पिपलको बारेमा तिमीले बताएको छैन मैले तिमीले बतायो भन्यो अन्तै सिक्यौ कि क्या हो तिमीले मैले टु मच डिपेन्डेन्स अन अदर फर डिसिजन एन्ड दिस सपोर्ट सम्म मात्रै गरेको हो होइन र सिक पिपल ए दिपिका तिम्रो नोट पल्टाउ त एकचोटि हेलो
सिक पिपलको बारेमा चाहिँ भएको थिएन सर
सिक पिपलको बारेमा भनेको थिएन हाउ टु फाइन्ड द सिक पिपलको व्यवहार कस्तो बिहेभियर अफ द सिक पिपल मैले एउटा दिस इज द वान अफ द एक्जाम्पल ओके देखिएको छ मेरो स्लाइड देखिएको छ
देखिन्छ सर
ओके बिहेभियर अफ द सिक पिपलको बिहेभियर कस्तो हुन्छ त यहाँ नपढिकन तिमीले एकचोटि अनुमान गरेर यसो इमेज गरेर भन त many people ask for help by talking about the problems behavior त्यो बिहेभियरको चाहिँ के अरे त्यो के प्रब्लम छ भने उसले आफ्नो बडी एक्सप्रेस अस्ति तिमीहरूलाई भनिसकेको छु उनीहरूको स्पिच भयो उनीहरूको चाहिँ के भने त्यो एक्सप्रेसन गर्ने तरिका भयो होइन सबैसँग एभ्रीबडी हेभ द बिहेभियर ओके उनीहरू दे हेभ द थट्स एन्ड दे हेभ द फिलिङ्स होइन वाट टाइप्स अफ थट्स दे हेभ एन्ड वाट टाइप्स अफ फिलिङ्स दे हेभ हाउ दे विल measure the things, how they will evaluate the things, how they will explain the things, and what they explain and what they know about what they are explaining. Okay, what they are explaining, that explaining is the key hints to understand that person. What he explains, what he is thinking, it is difficult to know, but what he is explaining. Okay, what is keeping on floor? From the floor, we have to pick up his problems and the side of his problem or her problem. That picking points, that points will give the way, what to give them, what to suggest them, what to advise them, and what medicine can be work. What they will pour in floors means explains. That's explaining points is the way to solve the problems. Okay, we are not treating the person. Okay, we are solving the problems of the person. The treating the person or the prescribing the medicine is one thing. Okay, and the solving the problems, understanding them. उनीहरूलाई बुझेर उनीहरूलाई बुझेर उनीहरूको प्रब्लमलाई सम्बोधन गर्ने कुरा चाहिँ हामी गर्न गइरहेका छौँ. ओके, social psychology means how to treat them by knowing their problems and what they are thinking regarding their problems. Okay, and how to toss that problems. Okay, knowing the problems is the one way, and how to tackle that problems. Okay, there are multiple dimensions, multiple ways. Okay, multiple solutions are there to tackle that problems. First of all, it needs to understand the problems, and who will give the problems means the same that who is seeking help, or who is seeking advice, who is seeking the help. That person will provide that key points to touch or to tackle his or her problems. And that whatever thoughts does not matter, whatever feelings does not make any differences. But what problems the person explains. कुरो बुझ्यौ त? के एक्सप्लेन गर्छ, त्यो एक्सप्लेनको बेसमा नै उसँग चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने उसलाई खोतल्ने, उसँग हाउ टु गेट द डीप रूटेड हिज प्रब्लम्स, उसका प्रब्लम्स ओपन आउट गराउने. देन वी क्यान solve the problems in different way. There are problems of behavior such as, okay, last time I have not explained this one. My child refused to go to the school. One woman came to the OPD or the wards or the clinics or the hospital, and she started to say, what, my child refused to go to school. This is a health problem. Our child is not going to school. He is refusing to go to the school. It is a health problem. My husband and I argue. This is related to the first point. The child is not refusing to go to the school, and husband and her relation is always arguing. It is related. Then the third point, I don't have money. Okay, it is related to the second point. Okay, then the fourth point, I cry all the time. It is related to the third point. Okay, I can't think clearly. It is related to the fourth point. Okay, the persons who is exploring her problems there, then how to tackle it one. How to tackle this one? Because the person is explaining on related points. She has no any decision making mind. Okay, then she is speaking anything what she think, and that not going to school, no money. Okay, always crying, or unnecessary speaking. Okay, and no any definite thinking, no clearly thinking. Okay, that is the hard behavior problems. Okay, that kinds of thinking, when the people show that, like that some people will come to the hospital or in your clinic or somebody's clinic, and they started to say the unrelated things, and you have given me medicine. This medicine does not work. My relatives suggested me to go to the witchcraft, and she suggested to have a dhani zakri, and they get the medicine. And someone Jyotishi told to conduct the puja, or they worship some animals, whatever she will explain, and that is not related to the. That's why the psychological treatment, solution is totally diverted diverted mind. Our mind is not the in not clear, and that's why she is not thinking clearly. She is not unable to decide, unable to accept the whatever other subjects. She has no that kinds of power to decide. These points should be accepted. She is not accepting the good points. She is not taking medicine. In that time, these kinds of problems will come. And they how they this tackle how to tackle these problems. Okay, this is the questions. Okay, everywhere, every society, this kinds of person is available, and these kinds of this is sometime told the psychological disorder, sometime convulsion disorder, sometime it guides to up to the now it is a convulsion disorder. Sometimes it will guide to the other psychological problems which may harm or and which may harm up to his up to the treating of any kinds of serious problems. Okay, okay. Today, now the intelligence. Now they in this time to tackle the problems, okay, we have to understand the intelligence. What is intelligence? Intelligence means any one of you, any one of you do not need to tell this what I have shown in your slides, but to tell me in your language, in your from your mind, what you think about the intelligence. What is intelligence? How to measure the intelligence? What will happen the low IQ level? How to improve the IQ level? How this intelligence help to grow or to develop the minds of people, minds of child. Okay, how it helps, how it forms. This is the area. Okay, this is the direction. Okay, and the how it guide to us. Okay, the widely accepted definition of the intelligence is that it is the ability to see meaningful relations with the between the things. It is ability to see meaningful relationship between things. Between things, there is always two things. Okay, between things means there are always two sides, two things. In between, to see. In between, to catch. In between, to relate. Okay, this is the how to get the meaningful. Meaningful. Okay, this super glue. Okay, super glue means where it works. Super glue means two things attached. Meaningful relationship. What is attaching two things in between? Okay, it includes the p perceiving, perceiving, whatever perceiving, knowing. Perceiving means assimilating. Assimilating means internalizing the things. Perceiving, knowing, and the reason. For what reason? Reasoning. For what reason the this that in between it is coming. Okay, in between words is what reason coming and remembering. Okay, what is forgotten and the what things is lagging in between to fulfill the lagging things in between. Okay, you have clipped the photos in different forms. Okay, if is not clearly attached the photos can move, can lost. That's why you will clearly clip the photos by the sometime stapler, sometime super glue, sometime glue, and that you this how this function and how much duration it will work. It is the in between how much strongly attached. Okay, that's why you're remembering the things. It is the important aspect of the personality. If these things is uh, absent in personality, okay, if these things is absent in personality, that mind, that personality could not function what his desire, what is thinking. Okay, that's why they this intelligence is needed to form a good personality. Okay, general intelligence. It is the ability to solve the problems of everyday life, which is coming to us. Okay, sometimes the problem of mathematics, you have to count, we have to make the clear this mathematics clear records, doing the adding, this minusing, dividing, and the some chi-square, and some statistical tools. Okay, this is the problems. Okay, and the some game. The person could not perform the games, there is no interest of the games. Some people will play the music. Okay, sometimes some people will dancing, sometimes painting, and sometimes they are writing very good handwriting. Okay, well then the people and very bad handwriting, difficult to understand that handwriting by the second person. Only one the person who writes he only understand one thing, and that person who writes and after writing he could not understand. Okay, that is also the intelligence. Okay, then the writing is he's writing, but the after some time when who is writing and please read, and it's difficult to write this reading. Okay, difficult to understand. Okay, so that's why in that time the intelligence play the role. Okay, the intelligence quotient IQ is an improvement over the concept of the mental age. Okay, this IQ level. How to improve the IQ level? IQ level really. IQ level, how to measure, how to know the IQ level, how to improvement of the concept of the mental age. Okay, and now the what is mental age and what is chronological age. First of all, I will give the hints. What is mental age and what is a chronological age? What is my chronology? Chronology. Any one of you? Tina, can you explain what is chronological age? What is mental age and what is chronological age? I want to get the clue of your mind, how you are thinking about it. Tina, हेलो रिना
थाहा भएन सर
थाहा भएन क्रोनोलजिकल एज थाहा छैन
नाइ सर
ओके ओके डजन्ट म्याटर प्रज्वल व्हाट इज क्रोनोलजिकल एज Now I am giving the clear hints about the chronological age and mental age. Two things, chronological age and mental age. What is mental age and what is chronological age? It is chronological age is also the psychological science. Mental age so this is the psychological science. But they to find out chronological age, it needs a scientific methods. Okay, it needs a use tools to find out the this chronological age. But the mental age totally verbal, totally verbal, may or may the scientific difficult to prove. If one person can find out one thing and the other person, if the other person measure may differ, may differ. Okay, then they may differ, but the mental age can may differ. Chronological age may not differ because it is used for specific methods. Means doing the X-ray, doing the MRI, measuring the bone, okay, measuring the tools means there will be measurements, physical measurements. That's why the concrete chronological age means concrete age, which used to measure the bone of the person. And the mental age means how much he can accept, how quick he will accept, react. Okay, reacting and accepting. Okay, reacting and accepting. Where is the mental age? Okay, it is obtained by dividing the mental age by chronological age multiplied by 100. Okay, IQ means mental age divided by chronological age. IQ, how can that is that 100 within that 2 minutes? 1 to 100. Count the 100 to okay, or count the 50 to 1 in within a minute, and the what is in between 50 to 1? Okay, this is the how and the showing ABC, showing trigonometry, showing the this square. That is the way. That is the way. That is the tools to measure the mental age, chronological age, when the measuring the bone. If the mental age is IQ, mental age, chronological age is more, mental age is the same as the chronological age, the IQ level is 100. If the mental age, okay, यसलाई अन्तिम स्लाइड मान्नु है हेलो प्रज्वल सुनिरहेको छ नि तिमीहरूको आज उपस्थिति कति हो हेलो
71 जना
बुझेको छ कि छैन?
छ सर।
मेन्टल एज र क्रोनिकल एज के हो? मेन्टल एज के हो, क्रोनिकल एज के हो भन्ने बुझियो? भनेको उसको क्यापेसिटी कसरी थिङ्किङ गर्छ, ऊ मान्छे चाहिँ 50 वर्षको कुरा चाहिँ के उसको लेभल चाहिँ 5 वर्षको छ भनेदेखि उसको मेन्टल एज चाहिँ के हुन्छ? विक है। अब मेन्टल चाहिँ यस्तो बढेन अथवा चाहिँ फिजिकल एज चाहिँ उसको फिजिकल एज चाहिँ क्रोनिकल एज चाहिँ उसको बढेको छ, हाइट पनि बढेको सबै कुरोको छ, र उसको मेन्टल एज चाहिँ बढेन भनेदेखि उसको के भयो त? मेन्टल एज भयो। तर उसको क्रोनिकल एज सानो छ, तर मेजर गर्दा चाहिँ के भन्छ भने क्रोनिकल एज बढी देखियो। जस्तै 5 वर्षको छ, उसको क्रोनिकल एज चाहिँ वर्षको जस्तो देखियो, अथवा चाहिँ के भने 15 वर्ष जस्तो देखियो भनेदेखि उसको चाहिँ के भने ग्रोथमा चाहिँ उसको प्रब्लम थियो। उसको चाहिँ के भने उसको मेन्टल एज र फिजियोलोजी के भन्छ क्रोनिकल एज चाहिँ मिलेन भनेर देखियो। ओके, र केही पोइन्ट्सहरु लेभल अफ द इंटेलिजेंस बेस्ड on IQ लेभल है। IQ लेभल, मेन्टल स्टेटस, ओके, IQ रेंज the mental status. Idiots, IQ level is 0 to 24. Idiots means 0 to 24. उसले त्यो स्कोरिङ गर्ने बेला 10 वटा क्वेशन बनायो, 10 वटा क्वेशनलाई उसमा एन्सर लियो, उसलाई टाइम दियो, 10 वटा 20 वटा पोइन्ट बनायो, 20 पोइन्टमा उसले चाहिँ यति समयभित्र यति गर्ने भन्यो, मेजर बेलामा निकालिएको उसको मेन्टल स्टेटस उसको मेजर गर्दाखेरि 0 to 24, imbecile 25 to 49, moron means 50 to 69, okay, borderline 70 to 79, okay, borderline mental status means his IQ level is 70 to 79, and the normal low level to 89 छ भने is a low normal level. Okay, normal 100 to 109, 100 to 109, normal means 90 to 109. If the mental status of the person is 90 to 109, that is normal mental status, and then superior. If the more than 110 to 119, that is superior. Okay, that the mental status shows the okay. Then the over 129. 139, 120 to 39 means very superior mental status. Then the more than the 140 is genius. They sometimes called के भन्छ एकदम धेरै चाहिँ के भन्छ भने जिनियस हो भने के भन्छ यो त छ यसको के कुरा गर्नु यो हाउडा छ यो त के भने देखि हामीले हामीभन्दा छिटो चाहिँ उ गर्छ यसले भनेको कुरा के विश्वास गर्नु भन्ने जस्तो कुराहरु उसले लिन सक्छ means sometime that person may victim of the psychological disorder. Sometimes the mind is working fast than the others. And very difficult to find this genius person. And the genius person is normal. We can say the abnormal sometimes. Always abnormal is not the harmful. Okay, abnormality, but he's not doing the abnormal, the hampering others. He's doing that steps he is not doing. Okay, that comes on the genius. Okay, Leveling of the intelligence, you have understand. I think you understand it. It is you can. It is available in your parks and parks. Okay. Characterization of the mental relation based on the IQ. This is very important slides, and the most of questions come from this slide. Okay. Then the other generalized slides, the next to the previous one is generalized size. It is a summarized size. Okay. Normal IQ level 70 over. Okay. This should be known compulsory. It is a compulsory known. Slides. It is must known. The other slides is also better to know, but it is compulsory. It is a must know these slides for your for ever. Normal means if sometime you could not, you should not measure the IQ level. If you need idiots at that time, you can say the 0 to 20. Okay, same. You can say other general things, but they normal. What is normal means IQ level is more than 70. Okay, mild mental retardation. How to say 50 to 79? Hey, okay, see here over 70 normal IQ level, and the mild mental retardation means 50 to 79 as a only 9 plus here. 9 point is just than the normal. Okay, then the below 50. 50 is that's why the 50 to 70 is a below the normal status. Moderate mental retardation. How to say moderate retardation? Below 50 up to 35. Okay, 35 to 49 is moderate mental retardation. Severe mental retardation means the here idiots is 24, but the severe mental retardation is 21 to okay. Severe mental retardation below 35. Okay, severe mental retardation. Okay, then the below 20 is the profound mental retardation. Profound mental retardation, helpless, nothing to by the person. All everything 100% in sure mental retardation. Sometimes he will spell the words, and that words can be pick up and can support. And the moderate means motor retardation can survive him, and they can little bit function. And that the person's mind is very flexible, and they not to clear cut. Okay. These things should be known. This is the most known then they get verify to next slides, and what is a general. Okay, see here the idiots, imbecile, moron, borderline, no normal level, low normal level, normal level, superior, very superior, near the geniuses. Okay, mean near the genius. These two things should be known, and they're measuring there. Today's your task is how to measure the IQ level. IQ level means chronological mental level divided by chronological level. Mental level divided by chronological multiply by 100 means is our IQ level. Now you can measure the IQ level. Hello. Now you can measure the IQ level. Hello. Hello. Rajol.
Yes.
सुतेको कि क्या?
Yes, sir.
सुतेको हो? सबै क्लास इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ र यो आजको स्लाइड तिमीहरुको हरेक आईक्यू हरेक तिमीहरुको चाहिँ के भने यो एमसीक्यू मा एउटा दुईटा रहिरहन्छ not only in your this year, okay? It will remain up to your last MBBS class also. When you appear in the this licensing exam, at that time also these kinds of slides will help you. Okay, that's why please keep attention. Repeatedly study. Please see the park and park also. That is there's some more explanation also regarding these slides. Okay, not depend on only lectures. Sometimes lectures you can find more points when you consult the textbooks. Okay, consult the textbook regarding these things. But if you want to only fast, it is enough for you. But if you want to be the genius, then you have to consult, you have to relate the textbooks and the other materials also. Okay. Okay. Then the application of the behavior in illness. Application of the behavior in illness. How to apply the behavior in illness. कसरी बिहेभियरलाई इलनेसमा चाहिँ एप्लाई गर्ने त. To understand fully the behavior, we should ask for details that enable, okay, that is enable. मैले फोर्सली यसलाई बन्द गर्ने अवस्थामा पुगेको छु है. टाइम अलिकति 5 मिनेट बाँकी छ. आजको तिमीहरुको 71 हैन अटेन्डेन्स. Next class, these slides will be continue the next class. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
ल आजलाई मैले यतिमै क्लास बन्द गर्न गइरहेको छु किनभने मेरो यो ल्यापटपले मलाई बन्द गर भनिसक्यो है. बत्ती छैन हाम्रो त लोड सेडिङ छ. कुलमान गइहाल्यो. डिस्टर्ब भइरहेछ. सुन्यौ?
Yes, sir.
ल आज यतिमै बन्द गर.